Welcome to Home Food Best Food.
Click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated. Today's video is how to cut papaya. First, we are going to trim the edges of papaya. Next, we are going to chop the outer skin of papaya. You can also peel the outer skin using peeler. Peeling the outer skin by peeler may sometimes result in bitter taste of papaya. Next, we're going to cut the papaya into two halves. Wow, we don't have seeds this time. So if seeds are there, you have to de-seed it. And then we're going to remove this thin membrane. It might taste slightly bitter if it is there, so we're going to remove it off. Next, we're going to cut the papaya as shown in the video. This papaya fruit platter is completely ready. You can serve it to your family and friends. Eating papaya, which is high in vitamin C, can boost the immune system, allowing the body to fight off bacteria and viral illness. Papaya has a good amount of antioxidant, making it a part of an immune healthy diet. Papaya is also good in vitamin A, another important vitamin for your healthy and functional immune system.